Welcome in the new video. Today we will take a look and show some tables about general tolerances on technical drawings. For the 3 dimensions of machine parts produced by CNC machining or forming from sheet metal, tolerance is used by common notation on the drawing according to the ISO 2768-1 standard. This standard prescribes limit deviation of length and angular dimensions in 4 accuracy classes. In this table, you can see the limit dimensions of the length dimensions. In the next table, you can see the limit deviations of the chamfering of the edge rounding. The selection of values in accordance with the ISO 2768-1 standard applies to length dimensions, internal and external dimensions, stepped dimensions, diameters, radii, pitch, rounding radii, and chamfer sizes. It also applies to angular dimensions, including the usual non-dimensioned angular dimensions such as right angles or angles of regular polygons. And in the last table, you can see the marginal deviations of the angular dimensions. If the general limit deviations of the dimensions according to this standard are to be applied, the title block of the drawing or its vicinity must contain the notation, for example, for the middle accuracy class M. So much today for general tolerances on technical drawings. If you like my work, please subscribe to this channel and we will see you in the next video. Bye.